Welcome, students. My name is Miss Perrigo. I'm a college student from Iowa State. Now I'm going to have everyone go around and tell me their names.
Courtney. Rachel.
Okay, let's say we have some pennies here. How do you think we would make 10 out of 4?
10 out of 4. Add pennies to the 4 pile. Count up.
Very good.
Yeah.
Today, we're going to learn about numbers that we can put together to add up to 10. When we add two numbers together, we are putting something on to something else. Or we are counting on from the first number that we have to get to our 10. For example, if I have 6 plus question mark equals 10, we would start out from counting up with 6 pennies. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. And then we would count on from the 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10. And then after that, we would count how many pennies we have in our second row, and that would be our answer. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would have 4 pennies. So the answer would be 6 plus 4 equals 10. A plus sign is a symbol that means that we are adding up these two numbers and finding out what they equal. An equal sign means that we are taking what is on the left and the right side and they have equal value. It is a symbol that shows that this side and this side are the same in value. So 6 plus 4, 10 equals 10. Does everybody understand? Yes. Very well. Let's try some on our own. I'm going to give you your pennies, and you can dump them out on the table. Now you're going to have more than 10, so just be aware of that. You're going to start with 3 plus question mark equals 10. You can tell me what we should do first.
Put 3 pennies.
Very good, Courtney. Let's get our 3 pennies out. 1, 2, 3. Now what do you think we should do to get our 10?
Make our second row.
Very good. Let's count together. We got 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what would our answer be? 7. 7. Very good. So, this would be our answer. Now, we're going to do one more, and then you will do it on your own. Okay, now we're going to do 8 plus question mark equals 10. Now, what should we do first, Rachel?
Count out our 8.
Very good. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what next, Courtney?
Make our second row to 10.
Yes. That's 9, 10. So, how many did we need? 2. 2. Very good. So the answer could be 8 plus, whoops, that's not 2, equals 10. Now, you're going to be doing this on your own. I'm going to first hand you out your crayons, or you can pick your crayons. You need 2 of them. It's not blue.
Oh, man.
Now I want you to decide what color will be your first color which means it represents the first number in this row. I want you to hold up the crayon. Okay, now you can put it down and hold the second crayon. Okay.
This is our answer, right?
That is your answer. Okay. Here's your paper.
Thank you.
Here's your paper. Okay. Now for this worksheet, I want you to do just like we did. So you will use the pennies first to add up to 10. And then, so like the first column, 10 plus question mark equals 10. So you line up your 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from there, you'd see how many more pennies you need to make your 10. And then with your first crayon, you will draw in how many squares as you need, with that your first number is. And then after that, with your second crayon, you will draw in the second number that you have. Oh, forgot to give you your pencils. It's okay. It's my bad. Do you have any questions? Yes, Rachel.
So this first number is what we
Is what you draw in first.
Okay.
And then you use your second crayon for the second number. Remember to put your name and date on a line provided for you. And I will be going around to check if you have any questions or to see how you got your answers.
You're at 7 minutes.
Oh, yes, Courtney. What's the date?
Is it
It's the first.
It's the first.
It's first.
Okay, Rachel.
Can you tell me how you did the first one?
I counted up my 10 pennies. I threw them all in one row, and there were already 10, so I didn't need to make a second row.
Very good.
Oh, 5, 6.
How did you do this one, Courtney? The second problem.
I put 5 up first, and then did a second row, so it added to 10, and it's 5 also. So color.
Good job. Do you guys have any questions right now? How did you do this one?
I counted out 3 pennies first, and then I added my second row. To get to 10, there were 7 in the top row.
I think you use your colors. That's what confused.
What? Did I use them backwards?
Yeah, that's why I was confused.
Sorry. Oh, I did use them backwards. That's okay. We're only needing 80% accuracy. I don't know what I was thinking on that one, to be honest. Now it looks like sorry, now it looks like I failed your lesson.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. Okay, so
Can anybody think of another strategy we could use to solve these problems?
oh, go ahead.
You count out your 10 pennies, and then take away the first number here. So if you had your 10 pennies here, then you take away 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 6 left. So
That's a good strategy.
I'm
Yeah,
a third
that's
grade
smart.
level here.
I guess. Jeez.
Rachel, how are you doing that so fast?
I know.
Sorry.
Real?
I keep going back to write it in crayon.
Fun.
Alright, we're gonna pause.
Okay.